What is up, good people? It's ZK here from ZK's Garage. We're going on a fun excursion today. All right, I got some big things planned for the channel, and you guys are about to see what some of it is. All right, we have to see if this comes to fruition. I'm making this video before I know whether it's going to come to fruition or not, but we are about to get the vet out. We are going over to a garage for rent that has a built-in car lift that I can use to do some work on my C8, to make content, to kind of make the ZK's Garage headquarters. And I am also in the works right now on doing a build series where we will build a car from start to finish on ZK's Garage, and we would use this garage to do it. So I'm going to get the vet out. We're going to take a spin over there. This is the first time I'm seeing the place. I don't know if it's going to work or not. I have never talked to the guy. The price is right. The garage looks beautiful. It's big and spacious. Let's get in, ride over, and see how it works out. All right, so hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, lock in, everybody. I need you guys to lock in because I'm going to make this jump, and I'm going to triple, quadruple how much car content I'm creating on YouTube. So that's the goal here. Let's go check this garage out. GM life, white and black. Vet's ready to go. Let's go see this garage, folks. Is it a new home for ZK's Garage? I'm gonna need you guys to weigh in. I'm fired up to go see this place though. Let's go. All right, guys. What's up? We're in the car on the way over. I'm feeling fired up. All right, so for those who follow the channel, you know I'm getting married soon. Me and my fiance have been looking for a place to live, and we're not quite ready to buy a house in this economy. So, and just the options aren't that good. So we're kind of waiting it out. And when you get into the rental life, you know, it's not really great when it comes to the garage scene and the garage space. And one of my career goals this year, I've been doing YouTube for quite a bit of time now, 5 years, mostly in the sports business. And one of my big goals this year was build up ZK's Garage because I want to build a career in the automotive world. And you know, when you move into an apartment or even renting a townhouse or a house, whatever we can come across, you know, most of them don't have the type of garage space or just set up for me to really double down on car content, automotive content, you know, build series, upgrades, modifications, things of that nature. So it gets a little tight. So I came across this place that we're going to now on Facebook Marketplace, and it's not crazy. It's like $1,400 or $1,500 a month, and it's got a built-in lift that comes with it. It's listed as no commercial use allowed. This is for car enthusiasts, basically hobby mechanics. And I did confirm with the owner that he would be, you know, he'd be good with me, you know, running basically ZK's Garage operation out of there. Well, we'll work on the Corvette. We'll do some upgrades to the Corvette. You know, I teased the build series. I am looking at getting a Cobra, you know, a kit Cobra from Factory 5 Racing. Drop your comments down below if you have any thoughts on that. And I really just want to go double down on the automotive content. So I think this is going to be a great HQ. I can't wait to show you guys it. I don't know if it's going to come together. You know, I don't know. I have to see. Obviously, we're too early, and you know, this is my first time seeing it. But I wanted to document it so you guys could see if we do end up here, what it looks like, how it's going to pan out. But just get ready because 2026, the goal was automotive content, automotive life, automotive business will grow and get bigger. We had a great April on ZK's Garage. We're going to have a great May here on ZK's Garage. And with my wedding in June next month, you know, that's when things are going to really ramp up and take off. My beautiful fiance, my soon-to-be wife, absolutely loves to help me with this stuff. And, you know, she's a great supporter of mine. So I think it's all going to come together. Will it? We don't know. If it doesn't, I think God's got a plan either way for us. But I'm super excited to see how this one goes. So let's lock in, and I will start the video back up when we are closer. I'm 23 minutes away right now from the garage. Let's see how it goes. So this is the house, but the garage is back there. So the GPS took me to the house. I got to go to that garage back there, which is detached from the main house. So we'll get over there. All right, guys, we're here. I got this lady who's going to show me it. We got the 2-car garage. Only downside so far is it is a busy street right here, but it is a nice, big, secluded 2-car garage in there. Car lift is in there. You can see the doors opening up right now. So we'll get in there and we'll do a full tour. Back garage door here, 2 fronts here, awesome car lift, rated 9,000 pounds here, fully functional. All right, and then air compressor over here with a back latch as well. We'll shut that. Okay, and we'll shut this. All right, perfect. All right, TV, and then this would be upstairs. Oh, perfect.
She had small chair on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Up here. Yeah. So I have like a.
Yeah, maybe
a body. I already know what I'm doing up here.
Yeah, yeah.
I wouldn't do much. I have a body for a car that needs to be painted, so I could put the body up here. This could easily fit. You could see it, so I can stand up here. I could just about stand. So this is right about 5 feet tall, 5.5 feet tall. All right, it's top.
Fire doors.
Now, who?
Fire, maybe.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, this will be used here.
Right, this is all here. So you got the jugs over here. You got the full stack. I guess storage. Now, talk to him. All right, I gotta get, so I'd do rubber flooring. I'd ask him. We have outlets. We have shelving. Plenty of outlets. Air compressors. Huge.
This TV.
Yeah.
Heater.
Heater is perfect.
Condition, yeah.
Perfect. You got the heater. All right, TV. That's very good. All right, and then the lift. This is the money shot, the lift. So I got to do a full decent research on this lift. Lifts plus depot. All right. All right, perfect. What do we have here? Okay, that's hydraulic fluid. You can close it, yep. Thank you, have a good one. All right guys, so we are over here, really sick setup, honestly. So we had the garage back here, the 2-story garage, and it's detached from our house. So that fine lady lives in the house. And she was like, I don't think she'll be much of an issue at all. The only problem is it is a very busy road. Now, I don't think that will matter much, but I mean, I'm pretty far away, you can see, but like backing in's tough, but you kind of have enough room here. You can clearly see fit easily 2 cars in the driveway, 2 garage doors, plenty of space on the inside. This could be a winner. This could be a winner. All right, guys, we're back at the abode after seeing the garage, the 2-car garage. Look, it's a pretty good setup. There's definitely some things I have to figure out before I can commit to it. But I'm gonna call the owner. That was his mother showing me the place. So I didn't get all the answers over there, but it's got a lift, it's got an air compressor, it's got 2 bays, it has a back door, a back garage door, it has an upstairs where I could potentially store the body of the Cobra while I'm building, you know, kind of the cart part of it. So it has a lot, but I don't know that I could successfully do 2 Cobra builds where my brother's gonna be joining me. He might get his own Cobra. We're gonna be living close to each other. So there's some things I'd have to work out, but it had electricity, it had everything basically I would want. So we just gotta kind of figure out the details. So I'm gonna give the owner a call and we're gonna see what he has to say about it. So let's do that. All right, what's up, guys? A day later, so I had the conversations yesterday, and I have some updates here, you know, and I don't know if this is going to be the garage that works out. I haven't ruled it out, definitely haven't locked it in yet. I'm recording this video today, the day of posting, so if you're watching here on Tuesday, what is it, May 12th today, I believe, you know that it's a very relevant and recent video, May 12th, 2026, but there's a couple reasons it might not work for me. It's got the lift in there, which is great, but the thing is, I mentioned my brother and I have been best friends my whole life, and he's lived, you know, closer to New York. You guys know JFK if you watch some of my previous C8 videos with him, but we're finally about to live close to each other again, and we are literally so freaking excited about it, we can't see straight. So my brother's a big part of this. He loves cars with me, and I mentioned the Cobra build, and that's something that we really want to do together. I'm going to make more videos about that on the channel to gauge kind of what you guys think, so look out for those videos. But the whole idea of the Cobra build was we wanted to each build our own, but we wanted to do it together. You know, we wanted to get a garage space where we could do it together. So that's how I started looking for garage spaces in the first place. And the two garage is great, but in a weird way, the lift kind of limits us, right? Because it's like, the lift is there, which means we're not going to have enough space to put two Cobras next to each other. I don't really need a 9,000 pound, you know, two-post lift to build the Cobra, the Factory 5 Cobra. So I need more of an open space, you know, and the upstairs is good. You know, the busy road bothered me a little bit. I don't think that would be great for content. It's not the perfect situation. So what we've kind of pivoted to trying to find, you know, a living arrangement that has a garage that's good, or we're going to keep exploring the opportunities. But I don't know that it's going to work out, the garage, so I'm kind of leaning against it because, you know, you factor in if I'm renting a place plus the garage, is that monthly payment together going to get me what I need, as opposed to if I up the budget on what my monthly rent would be, will that come with a bigger garage? So it's kind of a big balancing act on the financial side of it. So I don't know that the garage is going to work. Look, it was a lot of fun to go. I hope you enjoyed the video, but it's probably not ultimately going to work for ZK's garage at this point. But I am super excited, and I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about what's coming up here in ZK's garage. So I mentioned in the video already, I'm getting married soon, next month, June. I can't wait, and we're moving into our own place, obviously. And I know the Catholic in me, we don't move in before we're married. I know that's probably not popular in today's society, but not moving in until we're married. So my soon-to-be wife and I will be living together. We will be within 10, 15 minutes of my brother and his wife, and they are, you know, have obviously my goddaughter, and potentially a couple more, you know, more on the way. So the families are growing. I'm getting married. We're kind of building out our life, and we really want to take the plunge into like the car world. We've always loved cars. We obviously both own C8s, which we love, but we thought that the Cobra's builds would really kind of take it to the next step in our life, especially in the automotive world of building a car, going through the process. You map everything. That's what I love so much about it. It's one thing to just be like, hey, I love a C8, I'm buying a C8. It's another thing to be like, all right, I'm buying a Cobra. I need to pick the color, the engine, the transmission, the independent rear suspension, you know, basically every nut and bolt that goes onto the car, we are doing research on. And it's really a cool thing to do because not only do we get to do it, but I get to learn, you know, and I love to learn. I love to, you know, explore more basically and just kind of, you know, become more well-versed, especially for someone who wants to get into the automotive world. So I really thought the Cobra build kind of made a lot of sense. Now, I would document the whole thing. I don't know if you C8 viewers would be interested in it, but it's definitely something that I thought would be pretty awesome. And I'm highly interested in doing it. So we're kind of looking for that place now where us both can be together and we can both build our Cobras, raise our families, and kind of live the good life, as they say. So we're working hard to get to that point. We both have our own businesses, which, you know, consume a lot of our time, but have ultimately, you know, put us in a position that I feel blessed to be in, where we can live close to each other and potentially dive into this build. But doesn't mean the garage was right. I am still looking. We are not closed off to the opportunity or the ability to potentially get a garage, but that's kind of the update right now. So this is still in the works. It's not ruled out yet, but it's more ruled out than I thought it would be after visiting it. I kind of thought after visiting it I would be almost ready to sign to get it. I don't necessarily feel that way, but overall, I do still feel like the opportunities in front of us are huge on ZK's Garage, and we can't wait to do it, man. So by the way, real quick, before I end the video, Factory 5, anybody out there who's built one, anybody who knows, we want to do the Cobra. We're thinking Mark IV over Mark V. I know the Mark V is newer, but we love the iconic classic Cobra look. Should we go modern Coyote? Should we go old school 427 big block? Should we go, you know, a modernized 427 with a small block? You know, my uncles, I have two great uncles, my Uncle Frank and my Uncle Tony. Both of them have built Factory 5s. My Uncle Tony's built two of them. He did the Roadster and then the Coupe. My Uncle Frank is in the middle of a Coupe build right now, so they're great resources. My Uncle Frank is local to me, within like 20, 25 minutes away, so I'm going to go over and see his build. But look, it's something we're pretty excited about. I hope the channel responds to it well and watches the content. I think it's going to be unreal. I mean, to be able to have content that we can film every day, putting this car together, you know, and literally from start in the boxes to finish, what will this car look like? And it will be the creation of ZK's Garage. It will be the first real homemade ZK's Garage item that we'll probably keep long term, and is an iconic vehicle, obviously, a 65 Shelby Cobra. So we're super excited about that. Definitely let me know in the comments what you guys think, if I should do it, if I shouldn't do it, if I should look for another option. The C8's not going anywhere, at least for now it's not, but that's kind of what's coming next. So a lot of exciting things, man. Even if we don't end up with the garage, I'm happy I made the video. I'm happy I documented it. I hope you enjoyed it, but just an exciting time. I hope everybody's out there doing great, man, and I appreciate you. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys out on the road. Drive safe out there, everybody. Love all you guys.